Hello my dear kids, good morning to all. Welcome to us online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Smita Miss, your English teacher. How are you my dear children? Hope everyone is fine and safe at home. Right children? Yes. Let me ask you some question. Are you ready? Yes. If a miss is sitting inside the class and you want to come inside the class, what will you do? നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? മിസ്സ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇരിക്കുകയാണ്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് വരണം, അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? വാട്ട് വിൽ യു ആസ്ക്? യു ഷുഡ് ആസ്ക്, എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ, മേ ഐ കം ഇൻ. എന്താ ചോദിക്കണ്ടേ? നിങ്ങൾ മിസ്സിനോട് ചോദിക്കണം, എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ. ആദ്യം എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് മേ ഐ കം ഇൻ. ഡിഡ് യു ഗെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ചിൽഡ്രൻ? യു ഷുഡ് ആസ്ക്, എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ, മേ ഐ കം ഇൻ. അപ്പം മിസ്സ് പറയും കം ഇൻ. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഡിഡ് യു ഗെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്? ദ സെയിം വേ ദ എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ യു ക്യാൻ ഓൾസോ യൂസ് ഇൻ മെനി അതർ വേസ്. ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ റോട്ടിൽ നടക്കുകയാണ്, അവിടെ ക്രൗഡായിട്ട് കുറേ പേര് നിൽക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് കടക്കണം. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക? യു ഷുഡ് ആസ്ക്, എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ. എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവർ വഴി മാറി തരും. ഡിഡ് യു ഗെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്? If so many people are standing there and you want to cross them and go, you should ask, you should say them, excuse me. What you should say? You should say, excuse me. Same thing. ഇപ്പോൾ രണ്ടാൾക്കാർ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവരുടെ ഇടയിൽ പോയി എന്തോ അർജൻറ്റായിട്ട് വർത്തമാനം പറയണം. So what will you do if two people are talking and you want to talk to them? You should say, excuse me. Did you get it? You should ask, excuse me. You should say the word, excuse me. ഇപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായോ? Excuse me, where you should use these words? Very good. So, let us begin today's class. Are you ready children? Very good. In last class, we have discussed about a and an. Do you all remember? Yes, let us recall that and we'll go to the next topic. What is a and an? Where we'll use a and an? Do you know children? Yes, you all know, right? We use a and an when we are telling about single person, place or anything. Like a cat, a tree, a bat, right? A boy. But where do we use an? If that word begin with which letter? With a vowel. That word begin with vowel, we use an. For example, an apple, an umbrella. Did you get it? For apple and umbrella, what is the first letter? It is an vowel. So we will use an, and the other letters, consonants beginning with consonant letters, we will use a. Did you all get it? Yes, very good. Now, in today's class, we will discuss about one and many. Do you know what is one and many? Now, look here children. What is this? What is this? It is a teddy bear, right? It is a teddy bear. So, how many teddy bears are there in my hand? How many are there? Only one teddy bear. Right children? See how many are there? Only one teddy bear. Now, look here. What is this? This is also a teddy bear. See, one. See next, two and three. Now, how many teddy bears are there? Count. 1, 2 and 3. So, what you should say? I have many teddy bears. Did you get it? Here it is many because it is more than 1. If it is more than 1, they call as many. What will say? We'll say many. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്താ പറയുക നമ്മൾ? Many. മനസ്സിലായോ? Many teddy bears. Did you get it children? Very good. Now look here. What is this? This is a book, right? How many books do I have? See, only one book. Can you see? Only one book. Now, see here. How many books are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See children, how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have many books, right? I have many books. Here I have only one book and here I have many books. See, if it is more than one, we say as many. What will say? Many books. Here, if it is one, we will say one book. Did you get it? Let us see more examples. Now see, what is this? Pen, right? How many pen do I have? Only one pen. Did you get it? How many? Count and see. How many are there? Only one pen. Now look here. What is this? Pens. See how many are there? Count and say. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will say? Many pens. What will say? Many pens. Did you get it, children? Yes. Let us see more example. What is this? This is a chalk. How many chalks are there? Only one chalk. How many chalk? Only one chalk. Can you see? Yes. Now see here. How many chalk is there? It is 1, 2. It is more than 1, right? 1, 2. 2 chalks. How many chalks? 2 chalks. It is more than 1. So we will say chalks. Many chalks. Did you get it, children? Very good. Now, shall we see few more examples? Look here. Can you see? What is this? What is this? What is this here, children? Then hat. അല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് HAT hat. How many hat is there here? Only one hat. Now see this side. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4 are there. So what we'll say? Many hats. We should add S to hat so that it becomes many hats. Did you get it? If it is one, it is HAT. When it is many, it will become HATS. We should add S to it. Did you get it, children? Yes. Now we'll see one more example. Now look here. What is this? What is this? Ant. What is this? Ant. How many ants is there here? Only one ant. This side, how many ants are there? Only one ant. Now here, how many ants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is more than one. So we will call as many. What will say? Many. Many ants. See? A-N-T-S. We should add S to it. When it is many, we should add S. Did you get it? Let us see one more example. Now what is this, children? Bag, right? Bag. How many bag is there here? Only one bag. So, see the spelling? B-A-G. Bag. Now look here. How many bags? So many are there, right? So what will say? Many. What will say? Many. Many bags. What we have added here with B-A-G-S. Did you get it? B-A-G-S. We should add S when we are saying about many things. Okay? Very good. Now, look here. What is this? What is this, children? Yes, this is a cat. What is this? Cat. How many cat is there here? Only one cat. How many cat? Only one cat. ഇവിടെ എത്ര cat ഉണ്ട്? Only one cat. ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ സൈഡിൽ നോക്കൂ. ഇവിടെ എത്ര cats ഉണ്ട്? 1, 2, 3. എത്രയുണ്ട്? 3 cat ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ? CATS എന്നും കൂടി ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ cat, many ആണെങ്കിൽ cats. Did you get it? 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ cat, many ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ എന്താ എഴുതുക? Cats. Did you get it? Yes. Now, look here. What is this? What is this, children? Camel, right? What is this? Camel. How many camel is there here? Only one camel. So, one camel. See this side. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 camels. So, what we should add? We should add S and say camels. Say, children, camels. For many, we will add yes. We should add yes. Did you get it? Let us see few more things. What is this? എന്താണിത്? Ball. അല്ലേ? ഇതെന്താണ്? Ball. Now, look here. See here, how many are there? Count. 1, 2, 3. So, what we will tell? Balls. We will say balls. See, B-A-L-L, and we should add S. If it is 1, it is ball. If it is 1, it is ball. And if it is many, we should add S to it. So, balls. Did you get it? What is this, children? Tree, right? T. Tree. What is this? Tree. How many trees is there here? Only one tree. See? One tree. Now look here, how many are there? Count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is more than 1. So, what we'll tell? Trees. T, R, E, E, S. Did you get it? We have added S. When it is many, we have added S there. Now see here, 1 tree. Here it is many trees. We should add S when it is more than 1. What is this? Ice cream. You all like it, right? Ice cream. How many are there? Only one. But എത്ര ice cream ഉണ്ട്? Only one ice cream. ഇവിടെ എത്ര ഉണ്ട്? ലുക്ക് ഹിയർ. 1, 2. ഇവിടെ ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുണ്ട്. സോ വാട്ട് വിൽ സേ? ഐസ് creams. Ice creams. You should add yes to it. Did you get it, children? If it is one ball, ball. If it is many, it is balls. Here one tree, so it is tree. If it is many, we will say trees. We should add yes to it. Okay? But one ice cream. Ice cream. If it is more than one, ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ice creams. S. Did you get it? ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുക? S ആ വേർഡിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം ആഡ് ചെയ്യും. We should add yes to that particular word. Did you get it? Yes. Now we have see here in your literacy skill book, you have so many examples to read and practice. See here, one boy, many boys. One hat, many hats. One marble, many marbles. മാർബിൾസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണെന്നറിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? കളിക്കണ ഗോലിക്കായി ഇല്ലേ, അതിനെയാണ് മാർബിൾസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. Here one toy, many toys. One balloon, many balloons. One bird, many birds. One toffee, many toffees. One clock, many clocks. നോക്കൂ, മെനി വരുമ്പോൾ എല്ലായിടത്തും ലാസ്റ്റ് എന്താ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണേ? എസ് എന്ന് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. മനസ്സിലായോ? വെരി ഗുഡ്. നൗ വി ഹാവ് വർക്ക് ഷീറ്റ്. We have activity here. See here, children. Can you see the picture? Yes. See the first picture. What is this? Then goat. So how many goat are there here? Count and see. Only one. So what we'll say? Goat. Only we'll say one goat. So which one? You should color the box which is written goat. Now see here. What is this? Coins. See how many coins are there? Count and see. 1, 2, 3. So coins. So many are there, right? So S we should add to it. So where it is? Coins. S. So you should color this box. Same way you can do this worksheet. Okay, children? Now you have understood what is one and many. You should go to your parents and take one object and show this is one. If it is toy, you should say this is one toy. Now take so many toys and show them this is many toys. When we are telling about toys, many, we should add S. Toys. Did you get it? Very good. Last class, we learned to write, right? Which all words did we write, children? A, E, I, O. Did you practice writing it? എല്ലാവരും പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തോ? വേർഡ്സ് ഒക്കെ എഴുതാൻ പഠിക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ലേ? പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തോ? നല്ല കുട്ടികൾ. ദി നെക്സ്റ്റ് വേർഡ്, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് യു സൗണ്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വേർഡ് ഇസ് വാട്ട്? യു സൗണ്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വേർഡ് ഏതാണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോണത്? യു സൗണ്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് 3 letter വേർഡ്സ് ആണ്. നൗ സീ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ്? യു, റൈറ്റ്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ സൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് യു? അ. അ, യു, യു, ടി. സോ at, at, ha, at, hut. Did you get it? U, T, at, ha, at, hut. The next word again, U, G, ug. Next, What is the sound of B? B. B, A, G. Bug. Repeat again, children. B, A, G. Bug. And the other word is hut. You should practice writing these words in your notebook. Tell your parents to draw 2 lines in both the page and give. Okay? Daily you should read all the words from A to U which we are given for practicing it. എല്ലാ ദിവസവും ഈ A തൊട്ട് U വരെയുള്ള വേർഡ്സ് റീഡ് ചെയ്തും എഴുതിയും പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം. Okay children? Daily practice will make you perfect, and reading is very important to improve your brain. Okay? Very good. See you in next class. Bye bye.